7 more minutes. Woohoo! Thank you, everyone. We're going to do this all together. Woo!
It was the worst year of my life.
Oh. Good looking guy.
I hope next year will be better.
Good looking.
Huh?
You're good looking.
Thank you.
You're very much welcome. Happy New Year.
Which channel?
Aya Vlogs. I'm on YouTube. Aya Vlogs.
Can you follow her?
Yeah, sure.
I wanted to see myself. Please, more.
Oh, here. Woo! 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 Oh, I thought it started. Not yet.
You will get it, brother.
Woo!
Yeah, 7 minutes and we finally finish this fucking year. Disgusting.
6 minutes. 6 minutes to go. Woohoo! Yeah! I'm so excited, and I can't hide it. Come on, baby, come on. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive. Live long, Aya, live long. Yes, live long. Live long, everybody.
Huh? Thank you, bro.
Woohoo!
I need not to watch. I need this one.
You have got it.
No, I don't want this. Today I want Polish girl.
You listen to me. Listen to me more.
Yeah, we will do. Okay. 5 minutes.
5 more minutes. Woohoo! Happy New Year! 5 minutes to go. Whole new world. The whole new world. Let's see the sky.
Hey. 5 minutes and we will have New Year. And I want to just and say Happy New Year, brother.
Oh my God, it's the best year.
5 minutes. 5 minutes to go.
With me, you have to don't carry it.
Oh wow! Look at these people in the car. Wow.
Will you come today?
I told her too late. She goes, what the fuck?
Oh, 3 days is enough.
No,
Like Sunday, I will be
Woo! 4 minutes to go.
You still awake?
Happy New Year, everyone.
Holy shit, she's awake.
Yeah. Where's cocaine? I need cocaine, brother.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
This one from far.
I got you, brother.
No,
Yeah, bro. Please, lying. I
Woo!
got you.
They were trying to get everybody
Hey,
away.
what's up?
excuse me, sir.
You never know.
Yeah, right.
Okay, yo. Hi guys, what's up?
Hey, yo.
Hey, you know me, I'm crazy.
Trouble later.
Yeah, we're always like,
When you said what the fuck, you should probably not to get in trouble.
Zoom.
I tried to stay out of trouble.
Fuck it.
Okay, how about that? Is it good? Is it good, everybody?
like I said, look around and see.
I finished him. He's already knocked out. So,
No, we have to.
no.
Bro.
No, never
bro.
fight someone who is on the ground.
Bro, we have.
No, it's not respectful.
Bro, we have to kill him.
No. If someone else on the ground, he's finished. Let him. 3 minutes.